Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Huawei Watch GT3. Let's get started, but first don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's wake up our watch by simply clicking this crown. And now you need to swipe from the top to the bottom, and here you will find Do Not Disturb mode. And as you can see, this notification pops up and you just need to accept it. And also, the alternative way, you need to click this button again to go in the main menu, where we need to find settings. Click it and go in sounds and vibration. Here scroll up and you will find Do Not Disturb tab. And you can choose it for all day, just confirm, and you can choose scheduled. And set up time for start and for the end, like this for example. And also you can repeat it for every day or choose only work days, for example. So no Saturday and no Sunday. And then click OK. That's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.